हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू विक्रम ट्यूटोरियल। आज हम लेके आए हैं प्रीवियस के जितने भी एंटोनिम 2018 से लेकर अब तक पूछा गया है सारे एंटोनिम आप इस वीडियो के अंदर में देख पाएंगे। और कम समय में, याद रखिएगा, सबसे कम और कितना किफायती समय में आप सभी को ये विक्रम ट्यूटोरियल चैनल आप लोग को लगातार वर्ड प्रोवाइड करते जा रहा है। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं और आप लोग पूरा वीडियो को देखिए, 3 बार 4 बार 5 बार 6 बार सुनिए ताकि आपके दिमाग में ये सारा वर्ड छप जाए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं पहला वर्ड के साथ, इग्नोरेंस नॉलेज। हम एंटोनिम बता रहे हैं, ठीक है। एसएससी जीडी कांस्टेबल 2018। इग्नोरेंस नॉलेज, डोमिनेंट, सबमिसिव, कन्वीन, डिस्पर्स, कनकर, डिसएग्री, बिनाइन, हॉस्टाइल, एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट, इकोनॉमिकल, एडेमेंट, गुलिबल, कैजुअल, रिपल्स, indolent, lively, assault, defend, commence, close, expand, contract, logical, contradictory, positive, surplus, mundane, extraordinary, liberal, stingy, shallow, deep, colossal, minimal, genuine, fake, rational, illogical, reluctant, willing, lament, rejoice, apparent, hidden, alien, native, futile, useful, arrogant, modest, fatigue, energized, consensus, disagreement, lament, latent, evident, dormant, active, reveal, hide, treacherous, faithful, evident, obscure, mournful, joyous, lenient, strict, convex, convex, concave, emancipation, bondage, application, affliction, pleasure. Horizontal, vertical, abolish, build, abundant, scarce, illicit, lawful, distant, close, flood, flood, drought, agony, pleasure, agreement, discord, semblance, difference, rambling, coherent, affliction, pleasure, emancipation, bondage, savage, civilized, compulsory, optional, absurd, sensible, abundant, scarce, attracted, repelled, benevolent, merciless, miserable, cheerful, soggy, dry, boisterous, restrained, urge, debtor, stingy, generous, opaque, transparent, hideous, beautiful, bless, curse, peculiar, usual, ruthless, kind, attack, deference, above, below, malevolent, kind, latent, obvious, awkward, convenient, euphoria, lethargy, serene, stressed, contrary, agreeable, virtuous, vicious, transparent, opaque, ascertain, overlook, nominate, rejected. Hostile, friendly, dubious, certain, ascertain, disprove, recalled, forgotten, confront, avoid, timid, brave, positive, surplus, gorgeous, ordinary. SSC CPO Tier 1 2018 antonyms: morose, cheerful, extravagant, thrifty, bondage, liberty, assemble, disperse, hostile, friendly, adversity, prosperity, enthusiasm, apathy, vanity, humility, hollow, solid, lively, sluggish, immaculate, messy, debtor, encourage, antique, modern, agile, lethargic, boisterous, peaceful, stingy, generous, impeccable, imperfect, amiable, hostile, coherent, illogical, weary, refreshed, concentrated, diluted, enigmatic, straightforward, somber, cheerful, vigorous, spiritless, hideous, charming, visionary, pragmatic, constant, varying, grim, pleasant, dubious, certain, elaborate, minimal. Diurnal, nocturnal, appalling, appealing, sunder, combine, violation, volition, compulsion, opaque, transparent, bliss, destination, origin, uncanny, ordinary, fertile, barren, severe, unite, provincial, metropolitan, indicted, released, subdued, excited, assault, retreat, provisional, permanent, threaten, command, recovered, lost, restricted, unbounded, compromise, descent, perpetrate, prevent, muddle, order, complacent, consented, launch, withdraw, expansion, contraction, evasive, frank. SSC CGL Tier 1 2018 antonyms: scarce, ample, expansion, compression, escalate, reduce, tender, rough, exceptional, unremarkable, pardon, punish, eminent, inconspicuous, agony, comfort, finite, endless, reprimand, compliment, comic, tragic, gather, disperse, dense, sparse. Stale, fresh, swerve, straitened, sober, agitated, transient, permanent, liberty, slavery, sacred, profane, notorious, famous, accept, reject, affinity, aversion, severe, mild, prudent, indiscreet, arrogance, humility, meager, plentiful, covetous, benevolent, crucial, trivial, extravagant, thrifty, vigilant, careless, absurd, sensible, acquit, convict, scanty, profuse, prolonged, shorten, weakness, strengthen, tyrant, benefactor, public, private, progressive, conservative, deficit, surplus, illuminate, darken, foreign, native, ascent, descent, brutal, human, stationary, shifting. नेक्स्ट है SSC CHSL Tier 1 2018 एंटोनिम्स: मिनिस्क्यूल, गिगेंटी, परपेट्रेट, प्रिवेंट, succinct, lengthy, exotic, ordinary, ordinate, reasonable, jeopardize, protect, corroborate, contradict. Morose cheerful, denounce, applaud, opaque, clear, dense, sparse, exaggerate, compress, instant, delayed, reserve, communicative, hasty, cautious, accessible, restricted, meager, plentiful, urban, rural, sparse, dense, inferior, superior, prosperity, adversity, censure, praise, exceptional, ordinary, despair, hope, ferocious, gentle, misery, bliss, ascent, descent, flexible, steep, noble, old, ominous, auspicious, retaliation, reconciliation, loyalty, treason, advance, retreat, arrogant, humble, proceed, receipt, tacit, explicit, mental, physical, chronic, infrequent, complacent, concerned, salient, negligible, random, specific, shallow, deep, porous, impermeable, amass, distribute, abstract, concrete, hope, despair, gaunt, plump. Virulent, amicable, routine, different, conclusive, ambiguous. SSC selection post 2018 antonyms: outstanding, ordinary, different, similar, traditional, modern, suspend, continue, fidelity, trickery, fastidious, easygoing, convincing, doubtful, kind, cruel, colossal, tiny. SSC Steno 2018 antonyms: strange, familiar, shallow, deep, transparent, opaque, vacant, occupy, ambiguous, clear, flamboyant, understand, raucous, subdued, stupendous, does, full, ruin, mandate, vibrant, listless, belittle, extol, profusion, scarcity, foremost, unimportant, morbid, cheerful, quiescent, active, vintage, modern, tyranny, autonomy, colossal, small, lackluster, radiant, beneath, above, verbose, brief, squalid, clean, submissive, stubborn, numerous, scarce. Knowledge, ignorance, disparate, similar, comprehensive, restricted, dashed, encouraged. अब हम बढ़ते हैं SSC MTS 2019 एंटोनिम्स: फर्टाइल, बैरन, एक्यूट, ब्लंट, कॉमिक, ट्रेजिक, इनएक्सपेंसिव, डियर, फ्लक्चुएट, स्टेबलाइज, disperse, gather, gloomy, bright, impartial, biased, hidden, apparent, goodwill, hostility, current, past, familiar, strange, cautious, negligent, tranquil, stormy, linger, quicken, jovial, gloomy, relaxed, tense, steep, flat, captivity, liberty, approve, reject, quarrel, harmony, destroy, preserve, morose, cheerful, loiter, hasten, progress, decline, crude, straight, create, destroy, modest, vain, persuade, dissuade, fragile, tough, delicious, insipid, adept, inept, delicate, firm, adamant, flexible. Hopeful, pessimistic, attract, repel, confront, avoid, quell, agitate, illusion, reality, diminish, increase, coarse, smooth, notorious, popular, boisterous, peaceful, feasible, implausible, curtail, enlarge, ambiguous, clear, gradual, rapid, consensus, disagreement, distant, close, better, worse, harmony, strife, haslate, hinder, affluence, poverty, illicit, lawful, applaud, criticize, congested, clear, treacherous, faithful, abandoned, scarce, infallible, imperfect, reward, punish, deficit, abundance, awesome, amazing, fickle, constant, vile, decent, obstinate, flexible, harsh, gentle, vanity, modesty, startle, soothe, attract, repel, glee, woe, pompous, humble, refined, crude, slender, admire, entrance, exit. Debtor, insight, sympathy, cruelty, yell, whisper, reluctant, eager. SSC CGL Tier 2 2018 antonyms: alluring, repulsive, animosity, benevolence, empathy, apathy, lackadaisical, enthusiastic, optimistic, pessimistic, pandemonium, harmony, piquant, bland, predecessor, successor, turbulent, peaceful. SSC CPO Tier 2 2018 antonyms: bold, timid, emaciated, fat, sparse, abundant. SSC Selection Post 2019 antonyms: developed, backward, normal, strange, obese, thin, compassion, meanness, widespread, limited, accuse, defend, amateur, professional, arid, fertile. SSC CPO Tier 1 2019 antonyms: intentional, accidental, lament, celebrate, applaud, denounce, enraged, pleased, infinite, limited, contiguous, separated, subscribe, enlarge, initiate, finish. Stable, shaky, consume, save, tense, relaxed, vain, increase, erudite, ignorant, offbeat, conventional, futile, productive, perturb, soothe, impede, expedite, repugnant, pleasant, dubious, likely, demean, admire, insidious, sincere, adept, inept, reckless, cautious, endurance, indolence, mortality, birth, discard, adopt, blunt, sharp, innate, acquired, turbid, clear, aware, ignorant, reprimand, reward, comply, oppose, besiege, command, sagacious, ignorant, adorn, disfigure, soggy, dry, frail, robust, culpable, innocent, chivalrous, cowardly, exultant, repressed. SSC CGL Tier 1 2019 antonyms: exodus, arrival, quiescent, active, vicious, virtuous, hilarious, sad, vigilant, rash, flexible, steep. Liberty, dependence, broad, narrow, obsolete, recent, derogatory, complimentary, sparse, abundant, friendship, enmity, dexterity, ignorance, divine, unite, bizarre, usual, allure, repulse, sluggish, active, hostile, amiable, persist, siege, glee, woe, fecal, stable, haste, delay, stringent, lenient, grotesque, attractive, native, foreign, repulsive, attractive, assist, obstruct, industrious, lethargic, malice, goodwill, floor, foul, fair, persuade, dissuade, rear, front, mellow, hard, emerge, disappear, human, cruel, extol, censure. SSC CHSL Tier 1 2019 antonym: surveillance, neglect, demolish, construct, enigma, clarity, reserve, friendly, disillusioned, enthusiastic, timid, bold, malignant, benign, diverse, identical. Altruistic, selfish, disclose, conceal, metropolitan, provincial, instant, gradual, neat, messy, responsible, irresponsible, provoke, appease, disapprove, commend, harsh, lenient, arrogance, humility, agitate, calm, highness, agreeable, insight, restraint, disable, permit, impromptu, planned, fragile, strong, optional, compulsory, incoherent, intelligible, admonish, applaud, concealed, reveal, testimony, disprove, spiritual, physical, extensive, intensive, abbreviate, expand, middle, ignore, rueful, joyful, prim, disabled, exhale, inhale, earthly, celestial, obscure, clear, versatile, inflexible, nebulous, clear, cloudy, transparent, placate, enraged, plausible, unlikely, casual, planned, tame, upset, dispute, concede, maestro, amateur, unworthy, deserving. Benevolent, stingy, conspicuous, obscure, sacred, profane, perish, grow, revered, despised, decay, growth, candid, devious, convenience, hindrance, expunge, insert, apex, base, formidable, trivial, identical, different, buoyant, gloomy, caustic, kind, prolific, unproductive, pacifist, warmonger, coarse, refined, contemplate, ignore, ascend, descend, harsh, gentle, invincible, vulnerable, deport, permit, outspoken, secretive, compatriot, outsider. अब है SSC CGL Tier 2 2019 एंटोनिम: डिवाउट, पेसिव, परजिवरेंस, instability, manifest, disguise, crucial, trivial, indoors, renounce, gradual, abruptly, admirable, delightful, temporary, lasting, bloated, depleted. SSC CPO Tier 1 2020 antonym: alive, dead, fertile, barren, warm, cool. Feeble, strong, flaw, perfection, swab, rude, deficiency, excess, diverge, collect, defile, elevate, expel, absorb, muster, disperse, revive, ruin, distract, clarify, depredation, construction, menace, comfort, ignoble, dignified, flexible, rigid, humility, vanity, precious, gentle, industrious, indolent, ignite, extinguish, usurp, release, exonerate, sentence, irrelevant, consequential, admonish, applaud, spiritual, material, impudent, modest, dishearten, encourage, exasperation, enjoyment, prestige, disregard. अब है SSC सिलेक्शन पोस्ट 2020 एंटोनिम: सरकाज्म, फ्लेटरी, इनरीच, गलत दे दिया है, शायद दोनों एक ही चीज दे दिया है। डिपिक्ट, हाइड, स्कॉर्न, प्रेज, इनलाइबन, डिसहार्टन, वर्सन, इम्प्रूव, डिसमे, ग्लैडन, फ्रीड, इम्प्रिजन, डिस्प्यूट, क्वेरल, काम, एक्साइटेड, एक्सटिंक्ट, लिविंग, pale, bright, adjacent, distance, forlorn, elated, accept, reject, appoint, dismiss, foresight, indiscretion, exceptional, ordinary. SSC Steno 2019 antonym: dejected, cheerful, horrendous, pleasant, discreet, heedless, flaunt, cover, dignified, ordinary, tiresome, energizing, establish, destroy, voluntary, mandatory, speculate, dismiss, vulnerable, secure, seize, release, obsolescence, modernity, divest, give, inu, excitement, penury, wealth, encroach, refined, retrieve, damage, aggravate, alleviate, graceful, awkward, denounce, compliment, ignorance, knowledge, application, detachment, freedom, captivity, ominous, auspicious, impede, facilitate, ruthless, compassionate, shun, cherish, acknowledge, decline, genuine, dubious, ominous, auspicious. तो आज के वीडियो में सारा हम आपको दिखाए। अब यहाँ पे एक प्रैक्टिस सेट भी हम आप लोग को दे रहे हैं वीडियो के माध्यम से। आप लोग इसका आंसर आप लोग चाहें तो प्रैक्टिस सेट 1 और 2 का आप लोग यहाँ बता सकते हैं। एंटोनिम इसका क्या होगा सही आंसर। तो आज के वीडियो में इतना ही। अगले वीडियो में हम फिर अलग अलग वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन या जितना जो भी होगा प्रीवियस का सारा चीज हम लेके आएंगे, आपको जबरदस्त बना के छोड़ेंगे। क्योंकि एक बार ठान लिए कुछ करवाने का तो नहीं रुक जाने का। आप आंसर भी यहाँ पे बगल में देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।